Mastering the two-part analysis in GMAT's integrated reasoning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the GMAT's integrated reasoning section. One of the question types you'll encounter here is the two-part analysis. It might sound complex, but with the right strategies, you can confidently tackle them. Let's get started. Two-part analysis questions present a scenario, followed by two interconnected questions. These questions generally share answer choices in a table format, and you need to select one answer for each of the two questions. The beauty, or perhaps the challenge, of this type is that the questions are intertwined. Answering one often provides clues for the other. 1. Read carefully. Start by thoroughly reading the scenario. Understand the relationship between the two questions before jumping to the answer choices. 2. Use scratch paper. Jot down brief notes or calculations. This can especially help with math-based scenarios. 3. Work with one question at a time. Although the questions are interconnected, it's essential to focus on one question first, solve it, and then move to the other. 4. Review the shared answer choices. The table of answer choices can be overwhelming. But remember, each choice can be used for either of the questions. Use elimination to narrow down the options. 5. Don't overthink. If you find an answer that logically fits one part, it's likely the correct answer for that part. Don't second-guess too much. The best way to become comfortable with two-part analysis questions is through practice. This not only acquaints you with the format but also helps you get faster and more efficient. With each practice question, reflect on your approach, identify where you might have gone wrong, and refine your strategy. And that wraps up our session on two-part analysis questions in the GMAT's integrated reasoning section. Remember, confidence and a clear strategy are your allies. We hope this video brought clarity to your test prep journey. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck.